Hello to all my friends. So here is my cowboy ham and beans. This is good. Okay, here it is. Let me taste it. The trick to beans is like the trick of gravy. If you have good meat. Okay. Somebody left these beans in the laundry room, and so what I made is I made some corn cakes, and I made these corn cakes on my grill just like pancakes. And all I did was I added 1 cup cornbread mix, I added 1 egg and enough milk so I could make like a corn cake. I have some iced tea. So the basic ingredients were ham, beans, onion, garlic powder, and then when the beans were done, I added tomato paste, green chili, and 2 tablespoons sugar. This is good. All right, let me give you a quick shot of the recipe. And so, I had beans, pasta, and pancake mix. And I will be making dinners out of those 3 items until they're gone. So, let me give you a quick shot. God bless you all.